first.
Aim the pumpkin on top of the car, babe. On the white car.
First.
Who's gonna win? I'm on my foot. You're riding. He's riding.
Welcome to Aiden Fun Box.
That's fine.
Yep. Let's see, baby. See how lucky we can be. There's one right here.
Okay.
So wait for us.
Can you see? Come here. What do you see?
You ready to feed the sheep? So we gotta get the food.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, he's stuck in the mud. I think it's so hot that he needed to go into that hot Aki mud.
Yeah, that's how they cool down.
Yeah. You want to go play in the mud with him? Why not?
Oh,
It may be fun. Oh. Put your head in. Hold on, chicken.
Daddy!
Hold on, go in. Look at mommy. Go up. Okay, let's go try the chickens out.
Put them in the pig nose. I want to move. Get the chicken feet.
Right here.
Oh, my God. But they have
Dad, you're
How much
feeding
is
He needed to be fed too. He took a Doritos.
Yeah.
Mommy?
Goat, alpaca. Goat, alpaca.
What is alpaca?
The one that looks like the big sheep. Goat, something. Say hi, goatie.
Hi, Goldie.
You can pet him if you want.
You want to touch him?
No.
He'll only lick you. That's all he does.
Yeah, he only licks.
No.
Get a little lick, like a puppy.
No.
Why you bought the food then? He's hungry.
Put it in the spoon.
And you go.
Nice. Push it further in.
On top, right.
Good job.
Hey, put some
What? Oh man, I guess he's hungry.
I guess it's hungry.
Guess the three of them is too hot to come get food. Come, let's go see the big fat pig.
That's your used pig.
Oh my gosh, if he sits on you, you're gonna be squashed like a pancake. He's right here. Oh my god, he's big. Come on, let's go play. I think he's playing peekaboo. Should we put on my nose to say honk honk to that nose? Oh my gosh, you can barely even walk.
I wanna go feed.
He's a lazy one, huh? Oh my gosh.
No. I never used a spoon.
Okay, come, hold it.
Hi guys. Look at his poop, Aiden. It looked like grapes. It looked like chocolate covered raisins.
Come on, buddy.
You look at his teeth. Time to smile.
Now come feed him in.
Give mommy the cup.
Come. Take it. Hold it. Hold here. Hold here.
Hold it, babe.
Okay. Now put over there, push it in. He's not gonna reach out.
How is he gonna eat it?
That was good.
What just happened?
How are you?
Say hello.
Do you want to go in?
Yeah. Watch where you're going. Oh, there's one hiding behind there. Hi, chickens.
What did they eat?
You say,
Put the food in.
thank you.
Oh, look at that big egg. What do you think is in there? Put it in your hand. So Daddy's trying to touch one.
No, don't try that.
Daddy's such a scaredy cat. Give mommy. Give some to mommy. Let mommy be the brave one. So Daddy's just throwing them. Give me some, please. Chick, chick. Give me some. Buck, buck. Give me some in my hand. Let me show you how it's done. Just a little. Okay, that's it. Come on, buck, buck. Look, look. Food. Chickens. Hey, chickie. Look, look, look.
Daddy, look what they eat.
Aaron, look, they're eating from my hand.
Now look what they eat. Dad, look what they
What
do.
try to eat it there, Matcha?
Good job.
No food.
They ate from my hand. That's how you talk to the chicken? Let me hear you talk to the chicken.
Oh my gosh, they're hungry. They're eating the goat food.
The goat food?
Goats. Goaty.
Goaty? Okay. Thank you.
Ooh, bye fun. Smell you later. Stinky later. Because, you know, the biggest thing.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Why do you want to get down? Because the butt is hot? That's what you said, right? Let's go use the restroom.
I was tricking you.
You tricked me so you can go down? Who's gonna win? I'm on my foot. You're riding. He's riding. How fast are you going? Oh, whoa, that's a big turn. Go, 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 go. Oh, you're a crazy driver.
Mommy,
Lovely.
you ready? Mommy? So, Mommy, come really close to me.
I should come close? What next?
So, come really close.
Okay.
I need you to have a race.
Where's? You need a head start? You need a really hard push? I'm coming. I'm coming. Coming. Wait for me, I can't reach you. You had fun, so thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Come.
Okay, bye.
Dapat.
Bye.
And make sure you stay here.
Stop.
They're all good.
Oh, this is like a bike, I guess.
Well, it's a pedal car.
Kind of like Look it.
You're like a raggy doll.
That's the place.
You going again?
No, we're going to the pedal.
Keep going. One more. Okay.
Are you a drunk driver or something? How was it?
I want to go back on that one.
Aim the pumpkin on top of the car, babe. On the white car.
That's how you do it now. God.
I don't want to.
Try it again. I want to get a picture. But that's all. Let me take a picture.
Just hold it. Let Daddy get a picture.
No.
Quick.
One.
You got scared.
Okay, Daddy's gonna do it. Let's see Daddy do it.
Okay, ready?
Step on it.
Okay, ready?
Why don't you shoot the...
Okay, ready? And fire!
Ah, you hit the car.
Try the car.
You got scared?
Try it again.
No, come, let's go on the track. Come, let's see the pig.
Guys, making sure these races run well. We hired him because his name is Abraham. It kind of just worked out. Okay. Hey, who here goes to school? Kids, you go to school? Anybody? Go to school? That's great. Stay in school. You don't want to end up like me. But seriously, guys, does anybody know why the pig fell asleep in class? Sir, do you know why the pig fell asleep in school? No idea. Because his teacher was such a bore. Right? A bore. Are we ready, Abraham? Oh boy. What do you guys think? Do we want to hear another joke or do we want to see a pig race?
Another joke!
Oh man, someone said joke. Okay. You asked for it. Hey guys, what do you call a pig that comes to dinner uninvited? Sir, do you know? A pig that comes to dinner uninvited. You call it my mother-in-law. That's right. Don't tell it at school, kids. Hey, who's ready for the last race? Let me hear it. Come on. If you're ready, let me hear you say oinky. All right, here we go, guys. I need you to count with me one more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Woo! There it goes!
Who's it gonna be? I got it. It looks like Lindsay Lohan strutting out in front. The notorious P.I.G. hot on her heels. Who's it gonna be? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks like Lindsay Lohan won the race. I can't believe it. Wasn't that incredible? Give it up for the pig, folks.
Yay! Sorry. Oh my God, there's graves.
Oh no. Who wants to do bowling? Against the entrance to the court, miss.
I doubt
And
it.
then you come out, they'll come out on the next side.
Oh.
Which way? Which way? Dead end? Dead end?
Look what he's doing! Daddy, look!
Probably.
We made it out.
We made it.
We almost got lost.
Yeah? You gotta pull really hard, okay?
Mommy,
Go, move, walk back. Pull, pull. Run. Put it over your shoulder. Like, try it over your shoulder. Let's go try the duck race. Yay! He won!
What do you want, little man?
Which one do you want? It's right here.
Do you want an apple? Do you want a Happy Day Farm?
Or pumpkin.
Happy Day Farm? Or do you want a pumpkin? Do you want a pumpkin?
no, Happy Day.
Happy Day Farm? Alright.
Alright, I think he chose the best one there.
Hey. Alrighty, I'm gonna put it on your arm. Is that okay? No?
What do you want?
Right
it?
here? Alright.
I think it's gonna be too
1
big to
second.
put over there.
Actually, I can make it work.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Does that feel good? I know, it's so hot out. This is your first tattoo? Is this your first
Is that
tattoo?
your first tattoo? No.
What other tattoos have you had in the past?
Do you remember which one we had before? No, it was a long time ago, right?
Alrighty, let's see if this is ready.
Let's see if it works. Let me see.
It looks so good.
Let me take a look at that. Looking
Can I get a
good.
high five? You did so good.
Okay, so now are we gonna do the button?
Alrighty.
Yeah?
Now with the button, I'm going to give you a piece of paper. You're going to color it for me, okay? Do you like coloring?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
We gotta go over there with the
Just gotta go
crayons.
somewhere where there's...
Come on.
See those?
Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. We gotta share, right? You can go on. Go closer. Can we borrow some, please? Thank you. Okay, babe.
Makes the button.
Okay, you can color both sides if you like. Color.
I'm gonna put my name on the back.
You're doing it too big. Where's the end gonna go? Do a little one. That's cool. That's it? Okay, we wait in line. You gotta go give it to her. So now,
Okay, over here. You want to make a button?
Excuse me?
Oh, sure. Yeah?
It got ruined.
I'll redo it.
Can I take the paper? I'm so for one to take home.
which one?
For what? For what?
Oh, you don't touch those, don't
I
touch
think
those.
it's
They're
Here
short.
again? Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, that's yours.
You can get a tattoo first. Or paint a pumpkin.
There's a
Here you
button.
go!
Yeah.
Say hi.
Lana, come back this way. Yeah. Slide down.